We get new home sales here at 10 o'clock. Yep, 5 minutes. We get new home sales. Expected 588,000 month over month. Oh no, for the month of May, not month over month. For literally just how many homes were sold in America in the month of May. Previous was 591. Expected is 588. Holy shit, SPY high day. What the hell? Oh, it's 10 a.m. We just got the news. Hold on. Well, show me the number then. It must be good because SPY is rocketing. Oh shit. I did that thing where if you shake your camera, it closes your shit. I hate that feature. I could turn it off. I should turn it off. I don't see the numbers yet, but it must have been good. SPY strong. Oh, here it is. Holy shit. We went up. What? We were expected 588,000. We got 696,000. Holy shit. That's bigger than last month. We went up. What? That's no one saw that coming. No wonder SPY is rocketing here. Yeah, like wow. That's very surprising news. That's very surprising news. You can see that in the market reaction. Look at that. Look at the market reaction to that news. Wow. I mean, I was just expecting, I mean, obviously what I always expect is to hit consensus because that's the point of consensus, but I was just expecting us to come in at 588,000, like, you know, be down a little bit more from last month, meet expectations, okay, it's going to be fine. Like, to go up, like, not only to beat expectations, but to be higher than last month. Look at SPY's reaction to that. What does that mean? Anybody have any thoughts on that? We were just talking about how, you know, since interest rates are coming up, people are buying less houses. You know, demand for housing is coming down. Apparently not quite yet. Apparently not quite yet. We got increased month-over-month home sales. Obviously, huge spike during COVID. And then interest rates start rising. They come down. Interest rates, you know, they really come down here. This is a big reason why the market sold off because the housing market was like, oh, crap. And now we get a month-over-month increase. The markets love it. I mean, the markets, this, you can tell this was like unexpected. You can tell by the market reaction this was unexpected. Look at this. We just ramped from 383.7 to 386.7. That's a 3-point move, by the way. Holy crap. That is a 3-point move. Wow. Wow. Thanks for the follow. It takes 30 to 45 days to close the house. Sure, but we were already seeing super negative reaction, right? It's not like these are layovers from like people that were buying when interest rates were low, right? Like we were already seeing poor home buying numbers. These aren't like still holdovers from back here. I don't think. I mean, no one really knows, I guess. That's me just guessing, talking smoke, but wow. That is a talking point. That is something worth talking about for sure. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. YouTubers, comments. Do you have any thoughts? Why? Why is this happening? How's it going to affect the market? I mean, we've already seen hell of an initial reaction, but how's it going to continue to affect the market from here? Ratchet, thank you for the follow here on Twitch. How's this going to affect the market from here? Obviously, we're still in this really bad downtrend. And the bad downtrend is not purely because of housing. Housing was kind of used as an indication of like, hey, look, you know, people aren't buying as much because rates are too high, mortgage rates are rising, house sales are going to drop. That's bad for the economy. And this is just 1 month over month, right? It's 1 month over month. We're not like all of a sudden, holy crap, out of the woods yet, of course, but what's it mean? The initial reaction, extremely positive. We got a 3-point move in 4 minutes on SPY. A 3-point move in 4 minutes on SPY. But where do we go from here? Initial reaction, I mean, wow, okay, good. Doesn't really matter that much. It matters where we're going to go from here the next 2 weeks or ish, you know. Until the next home sales numbers next month, I guess. Where does SPY go from here till this time next month when we get the next home sales numbers? And are they going to increase again? Not only where's the market going to go, but do you think we see another increase house sales month over month? I mean, wild. Wild stuff. I feel like I'm speechless. I'm not. Stock news doesn't normally make me speechless. Stock news is normally boring. Okay, it meets consensus. Like, that's why I'm talking about this so much. Like, that's a big deal. Like stock news, like, normally just okay. It's a long line with consensus, but this is your consensus / forecast here. You know, 588,000, 585,000 to come in at 696,000. That's I don't know. I'm trying to make this sound dramatic because I want you guys to understand the brevity of it. Like, that just doesn't happen. That doesn't happen in the stock market. Like, that news like that doesn't happen very often. Like, as you can tell, just like you don't normally see reactions to news this strong. Unless it's like Fed rates or something that is expected to move the markets a lot. But like house sales news, you're not seeing 3-point moves in 3 minutes or 4 minutes on house sales news normally. It's normally pretty mellow news. Like, you can tell how damn surprised, shock factor of that news in the markets, right? Unexpectancy creates volatility, right? You can quite damn tell how unexpected that was. Yeah, what does this mean? I mean, what do we think it means? What do we think it means? Are people buying more houses because mortgage rates are starting to come down? I mean, let's look. Mortgage rates chart. Look. Can I make this go out further? Let's just look at this. This was like trying to do a calculation for me. Yeah, I mean, look. Mortgage rates are skyrocketing. Mortgage rates have doubled in like a year, haven't they? I locked my house in 2 years ago at 2.75 on a 30-year. It's now at 5.8. But home sales just month over month. I mean, what the Hopefully you guys find this as exciting as I do. Maybe I'm losing my mind a little bit too much over this. Someone's going to be like, Trey, home sales went up. Freaking take a chill pill. It's going to be okay. But like, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. SPY high day. Here we go. Still pushing. Wow. By the way, it's a good thing I have. Hey, remember that rule I talked about on yesterday's video? I don't short unless it prints below the 15 MA. If I literally just used the price channels, I would have shorted here, and I'd still be in the short. That rule's really saving me. I mean, the RSI is also, Jesus, the RSI on the 2-minute chart, the RSI on SPY is at 88. That's got to be the highest it's been in a very long time. That's going to be the highest the RSI has been in a very long time. I mean, this is the most bullish move we've seen on SPY in a really long time. Once again, all because of housing numbers. All live reaction to that, too. That was cool. That was a really fun thing to stream. Wowzers McDowsers. I don't know, boys and girls. Thoughts? Let me know your thoughts. Cheryl, thanks for the follow. Appreciate you. Yeah, let me know your thoughts, please, because I would like to be giving some better, more breadth thought out information about this, but I don't know. I don't know what this means. I'm no economist. I don't sit here and pretend to be an economist either. I'd rather just not say things than like make up shit. Like, oh, the new home sales being up mean that the inflationary mortgage rate is actually going to come down in the future. Actually, the stock markets are looking to the future of the. I don't fucking know, man. That's why I'm so speechless. I want your all's thoughts. People rushing to buy after they think rates 8% by the end of the year. You reckon? People are people think it's gonna go higher, so they're jumping into the markets now. Why all economists just make up stuff? True. Okay. Maybe okay. I will start to pretend to be an economist then. Wow. I hope people are buying. Why do you think rates are going to go higher? Is that why you say that? Is that why you guys think like people are buying more homes because they think this is going to get worse? They're like, shit, we gotta buy now. Like, like, look, babe, mortgage rates just went up 100%. If we don't buy now, they're gonna be up another 100%. If we wait another 6 months, they're gonna be up another 100% at this rate. You all reckon that's why people are buying? Like, that's why this happened? That's an interesting thought. I like that. That's an interesting thought. I don't know, man. I guess at the end of the day, no one knows. We can all have guesses and talking points around it. None of us know, I guess, but still, like, most projections I've seen have rates peaking in the fall/winter. Really? How much clout do we put into those projections, though? Maybe people are putting a lot of clout. I haven't seen projections like that because, luckily for me, I bought my house at 2.75. I got locked in at the lowest rates of all time. I got it pretty nice, so I haven't had to look at projections. And yeah, maybe people are looking at projections like that and rushing into buying houses now. I mean, let's look at another chart. So we've got the mortgage chart. Let's look at home average home price chart. Is this a chart I can find? Median price of home sales. Like, this is going up still too. Like, this hasn't really started coming down yet. I was gonna say maybe home prices have started to come down enough that people are going, okay, we can buy now, lock in this rate or you know, even variable interest this rate. If you bought a house now, would you variable or would you lock? If you bought a home now, would you variable interest rate since it's high, or would you lock with the idea of refinancing in a couple years? It's a good question. I don't know what I would do. Someone asked me that question on Twitter the other day. That's why I'm asking you guys. That's why I thought of it. My answer was that I think I would lock. And just with the idea that I can refi in however long, whenever that makes financial sense, I can refi in the future. Like, that was my answer, but like, once again, luckily I don't have to make the decision. I got lucky and bought a house down here, but yeah, home prices aren't coming down yet. Home sales are up. Mortgage up. Home sales up. No, sorry. Mortgage up. Prices up. Sales up. I don't know, man. Variable rates are not available right now for most lenders, really. And you just said you were a mortgage analyst, or wait, what'd you say? You're a lending agent or something, Andy, so you would know. They're not allowing variable rates? Really? Why? That's interesting. That's interesting. Bit of a pullback now in SPY. No, I mean, I say bit of a pullback. Still not much, but wow. Variable rates would be nasty to get trapped in right now because this may last for 5 years. Right. A lot of you guys are saying that. Like, a lot of you guys, I didn't share all your answers or read them all out, but a lot of you all said that you wouldn't take variable rates right now because you think it's going to get worse. I mean, I have 143 viewers. This isn't the great breadth of the American economy, but maybe we're getting some kind of example. Maybe that's just what everybody's thinking. Like, maybe everybody's thinking that. Like, everybody's like, dude, it's just gonna get worse. Let's go buy. Like, it's just gonna get worse. We gotta buy now. If we're gonna buy, we gotta buy now. Very, very interesting stuff, y'all. This has been a really good conversation. Thanks, guys, for chiming in. You guys on YouTube, let me know your thoughts in the comment section.